Ahmed math quiz scores are 72, 54, 88, 97, and 98. What is the median of his score? What is median? Is the middle number after you put the numbers in an increasing order. So let's do it. 54, 72, 88, 97, and 98. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So the middle one is 88. How you find the middle number when you have odd quantity of numbers but is super large? You get the number of terms, sum 1 and divided by 2. For example, here, 5 terms. 6 divided by 2 is the third term. It's always this. So 1, 2, 3. The third term, when you put in an increasing order, is the middle one, so the median.